how to use Trello for game development. Building a game, here's how Trello helps you organize development from idea to release. So first, create a new board and name it game development. So to do that, click on this create board at the bottom right of your screen and then name your board and then select a board background that is appropriate for games. So search for it on the gallery section and then select the photo and then click on this create board to create your board. Now from here, go ahead and add list. So use stages like backlog and progress, testing and completed to track your progress. Now after that, go ahead and create cards. So create cards for each feature such as characters, level, sound, UI, and you can go ahead and add descriptions and deadlines for each of this. You can assign members, tag teammates so everyone knows their responsibility. Add checklists and attachments, upload assets, scripts, or add subtasks, and then go ahead and proceed with overseeing your project progress from here. And that is how to use Trello for game development.